H0 here. Got the iPad 9th generation here. Yeah, I know, right? It's the old one. Are you just now doing an unboxing of it? Well, I just wanted to do all the iPads since I have all the other ones made since this model arrived on the scene. And also just to stress that this is still a great model, man. Don't think just because it's the old guy now that it's not good. It's a great iPad. It gets the job done for pretty much anything you can want to do with it, except maybe 3D modeling and things of that nature, and anything you might need the LiDAR radar for on the Pro models. Also, drawing not the best experience on this one, even though it can use the Apple Pencil 1, and so it can be used as a drawing tablet if that's all your budget allows. Don't be afraid to use it for that. It still works great. It's just not as great of an experience as like the Air, the Mini, and the iPad Pro models. So, already got it opened up. Wax paper around the top as normal. Yes, it's that old design with the home button still on it, which I still prefer for Touch ID. It's the best Touch ID button in my opinion. The headphone jack, which still many people use headphones with the 3.5mm jack, so still an iPad now, the current one that Apple sells that still includes that, so that's a big deal for this one. It has the worst camera with 8 megapixels and it's a pretty small sensor, but it is flat with the tablet, so it can lay flat. That's something that a lot of the other iPads or none of the other iPads can really do. They all have a camera button down, the volume rockers, the power button, the front selfie camera, which is 12 megapixels like the other iPads, and it's ultra wide with that nice center stage feature that I love so much for video calls and conferencing. So it came out at a great time to get that feature because that feature for people who use video calling a lot, like myself, for my day job, value a lot because it's really nice to be able to move around with you while you're doing things, especially when you're working from home. Outside of those things, it comes with the standard stuff, the pamphlet, instructions, legalese, stickers. So yeah, nothing I haven't seen here. We've seen any iPad unboxing video, and then the charging cable and the power adapter. This cable is the standard one. That's the plastic kind of material on the outside, unlike the newer ones in 2022 that gets the braided cables, which are really nice. Of course, it's Lightning to USB-C, since this is also the last iPad that's been made that still uses Lightning. Alright, so yeah, iPad 9th Gen, still a great buy in 2022, late 2022, going on 2023. It's a great present for kids, for family. It's great for video calling still, FaceTime, all that works excellent on it, just like any other iPad. Unfortunately, it still has the camera on the short side, in portrait mode like this instead of landscape mode. That'd be preferable like the iPad 10th generation, which is the only one that currently has that, so still has a huge advantage on that one, but this was before that, and it's great for what it is. You can do all the iPad things, and so even though it has the downfire speakers, they sound good for what they are. There's still two speakers in there. They're just both on this side of the iPad instead of having one on this side for stereo sound. So 9th Gen, still going strong, and yeah. Thanks for watching the video. Y'all have a great day. And don't forget to subscribe.